100+ degree temperature. Yeah, you can make your lawn look like this with that little secret recipe. Hey everyone, it's the middle of July, and as you can see, the lawn is looking quite good. But being the middle of July, that means we've got heat stress on the menu. It's hard to see, but let's walk over here. If you look, especially right along this edge right here, I don't know if you can see the little bit of browning that's happening there. That is an indication of some heat stress. And then I don't know if you can see, but I always get a patch of heat stress right out here in the middle. You can kind of see it's nice and green here, and then right there it gets a little bit brown. It gets dark there, a little bit of brown right out there. So anyway, that's preliminary signs of heat stress. And so today I'm going to show you how I treat the lawn for that and prepare it for these hot 2 months. So this is what we're going to be applying today. We're first going to do a granular application of this DiseaseEX. This just helps prevent any fungus or anything from growing in the lawn. I dealt with that 1 year. It really ravaged the grass, so ever since then I do an application of this in the middle of the summer season, and it seems to keep that at bay. So we're going to do this first, and then we're going to do a mixture of these products and do a liquid application. We're going to apply just a little bit of iron. We're going to apply some liquid kelp for heat stress tolerance. We're also going to apply this green envy product from GS Plant Foods. Seems to give the lawn just enough nutrients and nitrogen and stuff to kind of intake the nutrients we're putting down, but it's not a huge push or anything, because we just want to gently add nutrients to the lawn and not push a lot of growth during the hot season. And then last but not least, we're going to add some surfactant to make everything stick well to the grass blades. So I use an earthway spreader. I love the bucket shape that this spreader has that just kind of funnels the product down. But the particular Scott's product does not have necessarily a recommendation for the setting you put this on. Now you can do the calculations and what have you, but what I found is that a setting number 12 on this particular spreader works great with the DiseaseEX. To mix up this concoction of liquid stuff, we first are going to fill up a bucket with some water, and I've got this pH meter. We're going to get the pH down to 5, the 5 range. As you can see, we're pretty alkaline in the 10 or so range. So what we're going to do is take some citric acid right here, and I haven't ever measured it out, but I literally just take like 3 pinches of it to start. Your mileage may vary, it doesn't take very much. We'll go 3 pinches. You can get this mixing gun. Getting close, we're in the 7 range. Maybe just 2 more pinches. There we go. Next, we're going to do 2 ounces of this feature. It's a liquid iron solution. And this is a very light application. I don't want to go heavy on the iron at all, just enough to give the grass a little added depth and color, and the added micronutrients that this has. So I'm doing 2 ounces for 4 gallons of water. We're going to mix that and dissolve that up in the water first. Next, we're going to do 8 fluid ounces of the liquid kelp, and then 16 fluid ounces of the green envy per 4 gallons of water. Now we're going to just add a dash of surfactant here to help it stick to the leaves. Today we're going to be using this Flow Zone Cyclone 2.5 sprayer. I got this last year and it is a beast. I absolutely love it. Makes spreading so easy. I do highly recommend getting a T-Jet fan nozzle for it. And we use pressure setting number 2. In my particular case, you'll want to calibrate your sprayer so that you're putting down the correct amount of product per 1,000 square feet. In any case, be sure that whatever sprayer you use has a strainer, because there can be some artifacts in this, especially that feature stuff. All right, there we have it, 4 gallons. Now I will apply the iron mixture twice a month, every other week, and I will do the GS Plant Food Green Envy and Liquid Kelp every week during the 2 hottest months of the year. You'll see that that keeps all of the grass in check, unstressed, and gives it some nice color still with the iron. Of course, you need to stay on top of watering it. So with that said, let's fast forward to a week in just a matter of seconds for you. And here we are, 3 days later. Currently, we're in an unprecedented heat wave. We've got 5 consecutive days forecast to be 104 or hotter, and that never happens here. This is cool season lawn, and it cannot stand that kind of heat. 3 of those 5 days have been since I sprayed this. I sprayed this right before it got really hot, and this is day 3 now. And as you can see, it's looking absolutely phenomenal. I don't know if you remember, but there was a little space right over here in the middle of this section that was looking a little stressed, and it's bounced back. Green, lush. Of course, I've watered it a little bit. Over here was where I was seeing some more signs of heat stress. I still see a few hints of it because it's only been 3 days. In particular, right along here, I don't know, yeah, there you can kind of see how there's a little bit of brown right there on the very edge, but I'd say that's improved a good 50%, and I expect that to make a full recovery by the end of the week. So anyway, the whole yard is looking fantastic. Cool season lawn in the middle of summer, 100+ degree temperature. Yeah, you can make your lawn look like this with that little secret recipe. Leave comments down below. What are your thoughts? What has worked for you and keeping your lawn going during incredible stretches of hot? And I want to hear from you. I try to read all of your comments and I try to respond to all of them as well. So be sure and leave those down below. And please consider giving this video a like and a subscribe. Videos like these are not sponsored by anyone. It's just videos that I bring to you, and my favorite form of compensation from you is the like and the subscribe and comments. I love hearing from you all. So hopefully you'll consider doing that, and we'll catch you next time.